Hello everyone. I am Eki Ismawati, with NPM 234120041 from Accounting Class 23A. In this video, I will explain about how to register NPWP, definition of tax subject and tax object. NPWP registration. NPWP or Taxpayer Identification Number is an official identification number issued to taxpayers, both individuals and entities, as a means of tax administration. Every person or organization that meets the subjective and objective requirements is obligated to register for an NPWP. The registration process can be done in two ways. 1. Directly at the Tax Service Office, KPP, according to the taxpayer's domicile, by bringing required documents such as an ID card, family card, and proof of employment or business activity. 2. Online through the Directorate General Pajak, DJP online, portal at https://rg.pajak.go.id. The main purpose of NPWP registration is to ensure that taxpayers are officially recorded and can properly fulfill their tax rights and obligations, such as paying taxes and submitting tax returns, SPT. Having an NPWP also provides administrative benefits, such as easier access to financial services and compliance with legal and business requirements. Tax subject. A tax subject refers to the person or entity that bears the obligation to pay taxes as stipulated by tax laws. In general, tax subjects are divided into two main categories. 1. Individual taxpayers, referring to people who reside in Indonesia or earn income from Indonesia. 2. Corporate taxpayers, referring to entities composed of persons or capital that conduct business activities, such as companies, foundations, cooperatives, state-owned enterprises, or other organizations with taxable obligations. A tax subject can be classified as a domestic taxpayer or a foreign taxpayer, depending on their resident status, presence, and source of income. Understanding the classification of tax subjects is essential to determine the type and rate of taxes that must be paid under Indonesian law. Tax object. A tax object refers to anything that serves as the basis for taxation or the item, income, or activity that is subject to tax. Examples include 1. Income earned by individuals or entities, such as salaries, business profits, rent, interest, or dividends, for income tax/PPH. 2. Goods and services consumed by the public, for value-added tax/VAT. 3. Ownership or use of property, such as land and buildings, for land and building tax/PBB. In short, a tax object represents the source or economic activity that generates a tax obligation for the tax subject. The identification of tax objects allows the government to apply fair and effective taxation across different sectors of the economy. Thank you.